Mbere ya kwambika thabarĩ ya kuha mũingĩ wa kaunti cia Kisii na Nyamira, icera rĩao rĩkĩingira thikũ ya kerĩ, atongoria a MUNG'ETHANIRO matongoretio nĩ ũrĩa warĩ minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Dr. Fred Matiang'i, mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DCP Rigathi Gachagua, mũtongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka gatagatĩ kangĩ, mambire kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri kũrĩ andĩki a mohoro, marakara mao makĩerekerio kũrĩ thirikari, nĩ igeria rĩao rĩa gũthararia mũcemanio wao mũthenya wa ira.
I want to tell William Ruto, you came to power through a popular vote. Somehow along the line you seem to have changed your mind that you can get back to power through guns, bullets, tear gas and goons. It has never worked anywhere, not just in Africa but in the world.
Atongoria ya makiuga ũrĩa thirikari ĩrakĩrĩria ciĩko cia kwagagia mwena wa MUNG'ETHANIRO hĩndĩ ya mĩcemanio yao ya KIUTETI, noguo marakunderia mweke wa President Ruto wa gũkahotana gĩthurano gĩũkĩte.
No amount of tear gas or bullets or rogue police officers or goons that you are hiring will save you from the verdict of the Kenyan people.
The more you disrupt our meetings, the more you kill people, the more you beat elected leaders, the more popular the movement becomes. And I don't know, William Ruto seems to have forgotten. When he was attacked at a church in Keno in early 2022, his politics took a different turn. And the people decided to elect him as president because they didn't want attacks in a house of worship. But after getting to State House, he seems to have forgotten that police action cannot sort out politics.
Guko makindira wiguano wao ta MUNG'ETHANIRO na gukinyiriria matikahe Ruto kanya ga gukathana itĩna rĩa kerĩ na hwateanirie methugunda o mothe magukanaia kura ciao.
Shikana pamoja, hakuna kitu itatushinda. Ama kuna kitu naweza kutushinda? Kuna kitu hiyo tunawang'oa asubuhi. Ile tunahitaji tu ni utaratibu wa uwazi.
Tumekuja kwa sababu ya umoja. Tunataka kuweka umoja, amani na tukae pamoja kuleta mabadiliko katika nchi yetu.
Mkutano nasema nitawashinda hawa kina Kalonzo na 2 million. Yaani yeye anaota tule akikuchao. Safari hii hakutakuwa wizi wa kura Kenya. Ruto ajue ajianze kujiandaa, atoke mapema.
Gachagua nĩ amenereirie ambunge arĩa augĩte marahuthĩka nĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri kwagagia atongoria kuma gĩcigo gĩkĩ, akiuga mũtongoria o wothe gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ ũrathagathagia Matiang'i nĩ thĩ ya mũingĩ kuma gĩcigo gĩkĩ, akĩũria mũingĩ ũkamainũkia gĩthurano-inĩ gĩũkĩte.
Huyu anaitwa Osoro, mwingine anaitwa Nyakundi na ile kijana anaitwa Jahil. Ati anauliza kwa nini Kalonzo na Wamalwa na Rigiji wameenda Kisii. Wewe Kasongo sikia. Keep off family matters.
Gachagua ndanetigithia kũng'ethera arĩa maratambia mbica cia Google ikionania atongoria amwe a mwena wa MUNG'ETHANIRO nĩ maregiritania na President William Ruto kwa mũhiano mbica ĩrĩa ĩranyagĩtio ira ya ũrĩa warĩ Minister Peter Munya marĩ na President Ruto.
I don't know this Kasongo, what kind of movement he has.
Desperation.
Yeah, it's desperation.
Yeah.
You know, they are desperate people. You know, they are creating AI caricatures because they are unhappy that Peter Munya is here with us. And please don't fall to this propaganda, it will not help us.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege.